Bom dia and good morning. Welcome to another beautiful, hot, sunny day in Lisboa. Today's adventure, we're going to head over to the LX Factory and see if we can find some vegan eats, schmy around in the shops, and we're going to try and save on our Uber and take a bus. So join us for that adventure. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So that's it. We're here. That was an easy bus ride straight down the road.
Yeah,
and
like 6 or 7 stops from where we were in Belém. Took about 10 minutes. You think 10 minutes?
Yeah, it was pretty pleasant. So I think we just walked somewhere in here.
Well, yeah, there's the bridge, so we know the LX Factory is
Right around that
under
corner.
that.
Well, let's go check it out.
All right.
There she is. All right.
Behind us, come this way, is the LX Factory, which has shops and restaurants, and I don't know what else. I can't wait to find out. I'm starving. Let's try to find a vegan restaurant. It's super hot. Let's go get some refreshment.
Let's do it, babe.
All right.
Lead the way, my lady. Found a Mexican restaurant here at the LX Factory called Mex Factory. We're going to give this a shot. Looks like a fun little place. People are enjoying the sunshine. Let's see if we can get a table. So this looks like a fun little place.
Yeah,
We're gonna try
can't
some.
go wrong with Mexican.
Yeah, with a little spin on it.
There's a spin on it?
I'm sure it's gonna have a little Portuguese infusion.
Oh, maybe.
So we'll give it a try.
Give it a try. We need a carafe of water for this table. So we took a break from the boiling heat to have some Mexican food here at Mex Factory at LX Factory. I got the vegan quinoa bowl, destroyed it. I got a sangria, devoured it.
Oh, devoured it.
Or vice versa. I destroyed the sangria and I devoured the quinoa bowl. And now I'm fueled and ready to explore a little more.
Wow, that burrito was really good.
Yeah, it was better than my bowl, I think.
What do you think of the cheese here?
It's like unlike any cheese you've ever had in the United States.
Excuse me.
Excuse me?
All right, shall we go see what else is cool down the street?
Let's do that.
All right. Thank you. So we've had lunch, and now we are going to duck into Landeau Chocolate, where we've heard that they have the world's best chocolate cake. No joke.
That's a mighty big claim.
That is a mighty big claim. So, world's best chocolate cake. Let's go find out, shall we? First off, I'd like to say congratulations for having the world's best chocolate cake.
Thank you very much.
Way to go.
Thank you very much.
Okay. And that's the Bolo de Chocolate is the one?
Yes.
I can't believe this day is finally here.
We've traveled the world and never found the world's best chocolate cake. We might have just found it.
Congratulations, world's best chocolate cake.
Congratulations! World's best cup of coffee.
Super excited.
Here comes the tea.
Right, so green jasmine.
That's good. Thank you very much. So, can you tell us a little bit about the world's best chocolate cake?
It's not like cakey, it's more like moussey, but it tastes really good.
There's a really moist layer of cake on the bottom, and on top of that a layer of mousse, and on top of that a layer of cocoa sprinkled on top, but unsweetened cocoa. It's really nice. An unusual combination for chocolate cake. I like it.
Moussey, cocoa. Sheer goodness. That's some good cake. That's some terrific cake.
Ready? Ready, slow-mo cake enjoying. What's happening? Oh god. It wouldn't be a video or eating without Dad coughing.
That cocoa gets me every time. Talk amongst yourselves, right? You know one of those moments.
Oh my god. Dad.
It's the cocoa. I'm about to order another slice of the world's best chocolate cake. Wow. What makes it so delicious?
I think it's the cocoa butter on top.
Oh, it's incredible.
It breaks the sweetness.
Yeah, it's to die for. So I'm tempted to order the whole thing. How much?
In two sizes.
How much are those to like take home?
There's one, the big one, it's 35.
30?
And
Oh.
the small one, 23.
Oh, okay. So that's very doable. Well, we definitely want to order 2 more slices to go with our tea. Thank you so much. Oh, it's too late. It's been done.
I'm not eating it. It's horrible.
Chocolate rain. Da, 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 chocolate rain.
Take your breath.
All right, last bite.
Last bite. Oh my goodness.
Last bite.
There it is. Wow. High five.
Wow. So there you have it. The world's best chocolate cake. Do they live up to it? Of course they do.
So out of 5 stars, or you want to do it out of 10?
10 stars.
10 stars.
That stuff's good.
10 stars. Wow.
Exceptional chocolate cake.
It passed the chocolate test.
Mel never finds good chocolate cake, so for her to enjoy that, that's amazing.
I look like I found a lot of good chocolate cake in my life.
Dang, you're
Roasting myself.
Ooh. Oh, I feel good. I feel really good.
Alright.
So there you have it. Landeau Chocolate does not disappoint. Wow, oh my goodness, so delish. Highly recommended. Come see our friend B. She'll hook you up with all of the chocolate, and you can be as hyperactive as I am right now. Come on. Hey, check it out. You and me are up on the building.
Yeah, pose.
Okay, so we're going to go into Ler Devagar, which is been named one of the 20 most beautiful bookshops in the world. They got an exhibition gallery, a music shop, restaurant, cake shop, and a bar. And hey guys, I also heard they've got 40,000 new titles and nearly 10,000 used books.
We better get to reading.
Loco. Maybe he's the guy that's been doing these things on my arm. Tuck tuck. Tuck tuck. That's fun to say. How strange is this bathroom? Look at all the peaches and bananas on the wall. They've arranged peaches and bananas in the shape of a tree. I get my peaches down in Georgia.
Yeah, that's it.
What's that? What is that? Oh,
I think you know what that is.
Who makes stickers on that? So here's another piece of Bordalo art that you can find in the city. He's famous for making art out of garbage. And this is the bee. So this entire store is filled with sardines, and it's a very colorful store. They've got cans by the year. It doesn't mean that was the year that they were packaged in. That's just for decoration, but it's a pretty entertaining store. Let's go check it out.
So cute. It's just really cute.
Yeah.
And some of it rather expensive. This is all veggie. Oatmeal balls.
Ew.
And vegetables, and then this is chickpeas and carrots.
Oh, so there's not real fish in there.
No, not in these.
That's cool that they allow, you know, all sorts of people to be able to purchase things with their different dietary requirements.
Spicy sardines.
What year sells the best? Yeah, which one sells is your best year that sells? The most popular. Thanks very much. So
So
there
there
you have it.
We got hummus inside the sardine store. Oh yeah. We got hummus inside the sardine store. They actually have a couple of veggie options in there for people. But they have every fish known to man in a can.
Wow, and it rhymes.
And I was a poet and didn't know it.
She's got bars, people.
I just found Mel's doppelganger. Guys shop at the same place. Go get them, guys. Ooh, it's standing room only. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's... All right, got off the bus, heading back to our pad. Fun day out, huh?
Watch out. Yeah, it was a fun day out. We used public transportation for the first time.
In Lisbon.
And it was easy, right, in Lisbon. Very easy.
Had a delicious burrito, saw some fun shops. Weather was great. Got a tasty Guinness in. All in all, a terrific day out. Curious to see what tomorrow brings.
Can't wait.
All right. Well, I guess we'll end today here. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you haven't done so already, if we could trouble you to hit that subscribe link. And if you have any questions about anything, feel free and meet us inside the comments. Thanks a lot. Bye. How do I flip this around?
What's happening?
It won't flip. So this is a Portuguese company
It
with a
is.
French name.
It's a family name.
Oh, it's a family
It
name.
is.
Oh, wow.
It's a lady called Sofia. She starts the business with a cake 10 years ago with one cake.
Was it a family recipe that she just...
No, it's her own recipe.
Wow.
She started doing cakes at home. She's an interior designer. And then she starts doing this cake and making the recipe better and better and better. And then she wants to start a business with this cake that is amazing. And
Yes.
she doesn't want to keep the recipe for her own, and she wants to share with
wow.
not the recipe, but the cake.
Yeah, I'm happy to come here every day. What time do you open? And
11.
11.
And it
I'll
was
see you
at
every.
8.
I'll be here every day from 11 to 8. The chocolate is from. Is it Belgium?
No,
is it
I think
Switzerland?
it's from Colombia. or
Colombia.
something
Wow.
like
Wow. So do
that. It's from a Latin country.
Colombian beans. Colombia is known for the bean of the cocaina.
Yeah, I know.
So there isn't any of that in here. It feels like there is.
Here for 2 years, and I eat the cake almost every single day.
Sup Seth.